What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. It is finally warm outside. I am so happy. Well, not warm, but we are happy because we got some sunlight and we got this beautiful McLaren 570s Spider. What year is it exactly? This one is VIN number J. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. What is that? 2017, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. So, got a lot of carbon. Got your carbon splitter in the front. Very nice, beautiful. Love it, love it. Got some Corsa tires, carbon mirrors, carbon side skirt, 570s. Lots of carbon for the intakes. Nice, beautiful tires. Lots of carbon in the back. We got a wing. It's a little bit dirty, but it's gonna get washed. Yo. I love that idle. That sounds really nice. But yeah, very nice exterior. Sup, y'all? Peace, peace. Well, not peace yet. Very, very nice looking car. All right, let's jump right in. Boom, just like that. Yep, it is, 18. My bad, sorry. And let's see the interior. Okay, what do we got? Some Bose and Wilkers. Nice dry carbon steering wheel. Beautiful stitched McLaren seats, brand new. Some more carbon in the center. Where's our little seat belt? Well, not little seat belt, but seat belt. Super important. Boom. Okay. Very nice. Boom. Just click the paddle, put it into drive. Release the parking brake switch, which needs to still be installed. It's all good. Okay, what else we got? Heated seats. I think we don't have them, but we got our instrument cluster with all of the, the control switch for all of the functions. So we are currently in normal mode, but we are gonna bring this car over to our customer. Car is already nice and warm. Yo. This car drives nice and smooth. Very nice. Oops, sorry for the camera lag. Anyways, let's throw it into sport mode. Alright, we are active. Alright, here we go. Wow, it spins. Okay, we don't want to be in manual mode. That's not very fun. We want to be in automatic. Wow, the boost is very strong with this one. This car definitely needs alignment, but it drives very, very smooth. The boost comes on quick. Oh, there is a truck in the way. Let's go around. Whoa, squirrely even at 35, well, miles an hour. Oh, the brakes feel phenomenal. Yeah, we are crossing a little metal plate. Boom, that's it, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed that quick little video. Nice little POV drive and review of the McLaren 570s Spider. It is cold outside, so we are not going to be using the function to open up the sunroof. Not down for that because it is plus 35 degrees Fahrenheit, which in Canadian terms is very cold. Really, really cold. So screw that. We are not interested. Okay, guys. I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you all for watching this review. POV drive. Peace, guys.